Good morning or good evening, traders, YouTubers, depending on where you are. My name is Michael and I'm from Aegis.CMEG. So is today is June the 9th, 2020. So depending on where you are on this planet, it can be beautiful morning or beautiful evening. And let's get ready to trade. So I have CCL, AAL, UAL, work, M, Oxy, Fate, and SRNE. So there is a question came up on me on how do I set up my position, right? Or the way I interpret that question is usually when I place my trade, I took $20 risk. So my risk to reward is usually either 1 to 3 or better. Can be 1 to 4, 1 to 5, but not less than 1 to 3. So the risk that I took is $20. So it means that so my stop loss is 1 or 2%, minus 1 or 2% on my account. So between $50 to $100, minus 50 or minus 100. So it means that I can take 5 trades, 5 bad trades before I stop trading. That's what it means, right? So remember, your risk to reward ratio is the one. I would say it's more important than the pattern recognition, because you can have the best pattern setup in the world, but if your risk to reward ratio is not good, then you will not make any money. So for me, in my opinion, the way you set up your risk to reward is more important than your pattern recognition. Yeah, because pattern doesn't work, right? At best, pattern works maybe 75% of the time. So 1 out of 4 pattern can fail. Right, so that's, yeah. Okay, so today is what time is 3 minutes, well, less than 3 minutes before market open. Let's see, the market is slightly down today. I think the future is slightly down. So the S&P just, let's see. Wow, the S&P is actually positive for the year of 2020. Amazing, right? Just like almost 2 months ago, people think that we are in the trouble, in a big trouble. But right now, look at this. Look at this shape of. Look at the shape of S&P. It's almost like a V shape. So turns out that the U.S. economy having a V-shaped recovery. That's what that's the best case, right? The V shape is like a sharp downturn, then followed by a upturn, just as steep, right? Steep downturn and steep upturn. So, well, it's probably not that steep, but still, it's very impressive. Just take a look at the yeah, just March today. Yeah, it's like almost 2 months or 2.5 months ago. We thought that the world is going to end, right? Turns out that, hey, we're not doing so bad. So let's part of the US is start to open. So let's hope that the recovery continue, and we all can return to normal, and people start working again. Turn up the economy, and yeah, all is well. So okay, time is um, half, yeah, about 15 seconds. Market open. Okay, so let's see. Yep, market open. Oh, CCL selling off. Things like almost everything is selling off. Hmm. Looks like everything is going down. So I'm going short on M. Shit. Macy's. Damn it. CCL cannot be shorted. Hmm. converting SRNE. I'm returning short on SRNE. SRNE, damn it. I'm going long on M. Yeah. Re-entering Macy's. Macy's is not moving. Oh, oxy cannot be shorted. So I'm re-entering work. Let's see. Oh, let's try again. Work. Keep getting. I'm going long on AAL. I'm expecting the AL to break the 1885, but it doesn't seem to move. So let's see. M M looks like double bottom. Yeah, I think M. Yeah, let's try. Let's try if we can go back down again. Yeah. Yeah, I think I hit my maximum number of trades. So today is basically slight loss, and I know I haven't reached my maximum value, but I hit my maximum number of trades, right? Because I have two limits. I have uh, the value limit, the maximum loss and maximum loss, and the maximum number of trades, right? Because otherwise, you're not going to go anywhere. So I'm gonna finish my trade today, and wow, look at this. I'm just gonna do a quick review on what I did, right? And so the first trade that I took is the M, which is Macy's. So Macy's, what happened is Macy's starting a huge bearish candlestick, right? And then it go down, and then I try to enter short when it retraced back to this resistance, but it just blew past this resistance and gets stopped out. So the second trade I take is I try to go long here when I stop closing above the VWAP, and I scalp quite nicely. When I try to re-enter the trade, so the stock suddenly drop and I get stopped out, right? So that's for the M. The other thing that I take is the SRNE. So SRNE, I try to go short. I don't know why I did that. It's just, this is a stupid trade, right? Risk to reward is not there. I think I can understand why the risk is so I'm entering short, so the risk is from here to the VWAP, and the reward is this support line, right? And then I try to go short every time, but it just doesn't work out. So this is not a good trade, and I take too many too big of a size on this one. So that's the MSRNE. And work. Work. Work is also the same thing. So work is, I'm trying to go long when it stock retrace, but it just doesn't move, right? And I get stopped out. So I thought the work is following this 5 moving average, but it doesn't move. So that's what the work. Now AAL, I try to see that the stock drop after bearish engulfing, but it hold at the support line at the VWAP, right? So naturally I try to enter long, and then I quickly scalp on this area. This is the resistance line. So yeah, today is basically flat, right? So 18 bucks minus half, minus half percentage of my account, slightly less than half percentage. So that's yeah, so I get stopped out on the number of trades. So that's what the today's trade is. My name is Michael, and I'm from Aegis.CMEG. So I will shoot tomorrow, at 8:30 p.m. Indonesian time or 9:30 p.m. Singapore time.